Where's my bowling bag back at?
You didn't bring your bowling bag?
That's not it.
It ain't in here. She empty. I'm kidding, it's inside. I brought it in for you.
Oh my god. I was like, we're not bowling today, Pack. I'm going home.
In the third. The left is not long. I'm not just saying that. I mean it. He means it. Frankie's averaging 286.
That's not a made up number.
No, he just shot 833 because he shot 233 game 3. Brad probably also came close to 800. He went like 270, 210, 270. So he came close. So we're behind by about 400. And we're in game 4. So we got some striking to do.
Help! Pack's trying to be a good bowler and ball change off 1-7 pin. Let's see how that works for him, Scott. What a good bowler. Need to beat me. Beat me by one. Hey, a true teammate would get 9 here on a ball change just to see something and tie.
Okay. I have 2 balls in my hand.
You need to throw the blue one.
The only blue one I can throw is yours, I think.
Oh, nope, not that blue one.
That blue right now.
No, God, no. Jesus Christ.
Got him. Oh, come on. Superstars ask you to bowl? You get text messages. Like, yeah, of course I'm gonna bowl. If I don't know. If I have to, I will. Yeah. Like, okay, Frank, I'll make time.
good for one game. We had 539,
Really good for one.
and then we shot 4-0.
We need a couple more 530s here today.
And Frankie almost had his third 300 of the day, and he gagged it off.
Yeah, he's only got 2, so there's plenty of room for us to catch up.
Yeah, we got plenty of time. I haven't missed yet, so let's get it. I just watched Packy throw at a 4-7 and hit the 5-pin in the face. It wasn't very good. Pack hasn't struck on this lane yet, till now. You can get around it just a little bit. I mean, I guess so. You're not wrong.
I'll get around this one. I'll show you.
Here comes the 6 count.
Only 8 pin right now.
8 pin? I think it's 10 back. Late 7 pin. Why would you roll? Why would you get around it? Just keep rolling it.
We got 1 game left, and I think our only chance of making the big bucks here is hitting the high game pod, and Kevin just flat 9 pin. So we need the rest.
Packy won't listen to me.
Last time, I just listened to you last time, and I 6 pin.
But I didn't like that ball. I like this ball. You can spin it with the early slow ball because it's not going to go boomeranging down lane.
I'm going to move as well. I'm going to give him the 1 and 1. 2.
Left or right?
Right, what?
No. I don't know why it moved, but hey, just humor me one time.
2 back left.
Are you gonna go back left and spin it? All right. You think you're gonna big 4? I think it's 10 back. It says at best he's 6 spinning. Oh God.
Mike is on. We went like 240 over a piece, which unfortunately was not close.
And we didn't bowl very good to do that, so.
We deserve what we got, which was about 6th, maybe.
Man, I hope. Need it.
6 out of like 23 or something, 20 teams. I don't know. It's not good.
We didn't bowl good.
Not good. It's all right. It happens. Sometimes it'd be like that. And a shout out to Frankie for shooting 8 300s today.
He did pretty much that, and yeah, I love donating to the guys that don't need it. You know, so you're welcome, Frank.
Yeah. Until next time.
Bye bye.
Thank you for helping me today. I had absolutely nothing. And then
You
shot
throw it
just-
harder than any one-hander I've ever seen in my life. Every
You
time I
Jimmy
saw you
Kevin's
throw a
close.
shot. No, I don't know. Every time I saw a shot, I was like, I blinked and it hit the pin. So
We got a camera.
throwing wood around.